Welcome to KDB Home Food Network channel.
Today we have a scrumptious meal ahead of us. The theme today is healthy, pocket-friendly, but delicious. So what we have ahead of us is some lemon chicken on top of a bed of spinach and black bean orzo.
But before any cooking session, there's one thing you always need to have. The wine!
Woohoo!
Alright, girls, I'm going to get us some glasses, and you guys tell them what we're going to be cooking right now.
First, we'll start with the ingredients. By the way, I'm Bridget,
Carla,
and
our little lush is
Danielle!
Carla, why don't you tell us what ingredients we need for this meal?
Well, today we have
Orzo pasta, which is a rice-shaped pasta, and nothing's wrong with Bria or Brilla.
we got our frozen spinach all ready to go.
And nothing's wrong with frozen. For what we're doing today, it doesn't need to be fresh. This will give it just the right amount of flavor.
Next we have
our black beans out of a can.
We do have one thing that is fresh.
Very fresh tomatoes from the backyard of a family called the Evans family. They are already diced, but we'll get to that later. This is just about 2 to 3 medium-sized tomatoes are good.
Next we have
EVOO, and if you don't know what that means extra virgin olive oil.
sounds delicious.
Okay, so let's get started. Go ahead and put it on about medium-low. Just gotta light it.
Ooh, feel it.
Carla, why don't you go put some extra virgin olive oil on there?
Alright.
It's just a good amount. You don't want to ever make chicken dry.
Just like a little quarter, or maybe 2 quarters.
maybe like 4.
Not the whole.
No, more. We're not shy here.
More?
Maybe a little bit more.
$4.
That's good. Go ahead and get that around there. And we'll just go ahead and get right in it.
Jeffrey, not now. Jeffrey, please, go back to your room.
Jeffrey's trying to come out. Not this time. Okay. It's lopsided.
Bridget.
Alrighty.
Oh, am I doing it right?
We're going to put 3 breasts on there.
Oh, no. No.
I keep going down, right?
Yeah.
So I'm doing it right?
It's always good to have some chicken titties. Uh-oh, you can only do 2. They're too big.
Okay. Carla.
We're going to have, that's plenty for 3 of us though, right? Because those are big. Right, Danielle? Like we could share, right? Here.
I'll try this.
Red?
Yeah.
Hey, Carla, want to come do the orzo?
Sure. Definitely.
Well, first we have to put water.
So next we are going to do the orzo, which is Italy's #1 brand of pasta. Kind of looks like some rice. That's what I thought it was. Some pasta. And Danielle is working on our wine still.
So you're just going to want to boil. Put this on high so you can boil that water. Once it gets hot enough there, we're going to pour.
Yeah, just enough for the 3 of us and Jeffrey.
Not yet. Wait till it's boiling. We can cut some of this out. It's okay.
Should we drain the spinach?
Yeah, why don't we drain the spinach in the meantime? Just go ahead and put the frozen spinach in what are these called again? A drainer? What are these called?
A strainer.
A strainer.
It's a cauldron.
A cauldron.
Cauldron.
It can have many names. It does not matter. We all know what you're talking about.
I might want to do this over the steam. No, in this over the steam. And then in this. Now I need to go talk to the camera.
I think we're going to process.
So I'm still in the process of trying to open the second wine bottle, which sometimes can be difficult if you just cut your nails and really don't have a lot of leverage.
Well, I think if you...
So, oh, here we go. This one doesn't even have a cork.
We're going to take a can of black beans and drain it because we don't want too much extra juice in the orzo when we put it together.
And you really know that you went cheap on your wine if it just has a twist off. $3.
That's good.
Jeffrey, we're not ready for you yet.
This thing called love, I can't handle it. This thing called love, I'm lost. Get around to me, I hear it. Crazy little thing called love. This thing called love, it cries, it cradles on my swings,
And it dies
shakes all over
like a jellyfish.
and I like it. Crazy little thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She
Now we're going to take a little peek at the chicken. Just to make sure it's cooking all right and everything.
she leaves me in a cool sweat.
Put the orzo in.
Woo! Yep, it's cooking.
I gotta be
Now we're going to put the
relaxed.
orzo in.
Again, again, on my
And we're just going to do enough for 4.
take a long ride on my
I think that's enough.
Crazy little
Bridget,
thing
for
called
more white then.
It's like this much.
It's like half.
It's like this.
That's probably
Good.
good, yeah. I don't know, what do you think?
I think it's good.
Oh, that is a poppin'.
Yeah, I should have told you.
P.S. This is like a
Popped
wine.
its color. Popped its color.
P.S. This is a wine fizz drink.
Watch
This is
out,
not
ladies.
really regular Merlot. There you go. Bridget, would you like the wine bubbly or the white zin?
This is really good.
Yeah, because it's not actual Merlot. It's like a wine. It's like a wine
Oh,
fruity
I
drink.
Is it looking good at the bottom? Ooh, this can sucks. Sorry to know. I'm struggling with it.
Let me try it.
Oh, there.
Alright,
Looking
pins
good.
down.
Looking good. I'm gonna check the rice out over here.
Alright.
Oh, that is good.
You know, if the chicken's a little burned, it's okay.
That's how we like it. Just a little crispy.
See?
We're not professionals, we're just hungry girls. Okay, so we're going to take the spinach. We have the frozen spinach drained and put in this bowl. And then we have the black beans, which we're going to add to it. And all we have to do is microwave it for about 3 minutes. We're not going to do anything too crazy, but we did drain the black beans so that it wasn't too mushy. Add that. Good. Maybe like cover it so it
The light went out.
We're both having white zin because I couldn't get the cork back in, so we need to drink it.
Oh yeah, push it. Cool. Put it in the microwave.
That is really good though, Carla. That lemon drink. I mean the lemon mushroom thing. And
This is still going, and
So excited.